Hey, what's up guys? Just an update for the day. I got the truck all back together. I got my headlights in the mail. They're the clear ones like I had before on the other truck. Painted the grill, painted the bumper, left the chrome, and at the back of it here, I got the roll pan installed and painted. Need to have that shaved. It's just open headers right now, but here's the start up on it. The only problem I'm having right now is, see, it'll go into gear, but I mean it'll go into gear with it turned off anyways. But in neutral, when I have it started, it won't go into first. And I think there's something stuck in the clutch or something, I'm not sure yet. I still gotta, damn it, I still gotta figure that out. But here's the first start on it for y'all. So it definitely needs a tune. When I set the computer and I just had the VATs deleted. And as you can see, my gauges are off. My oil pressure gauge is going all the way up. The fuel pump or the gas tank gauge is going all the way up. And I only have like 2 gallons of gas in here. And so I think it might just be the sensors, or I'm not really sure on that yet. But I do have it started. I've got to pull the transmission now though and figure out why the clutch won't go into gear, or why the transmission won't go into gear. But we got it started, and that's the main thing. That's what I've been waiting for this whole time. And it's not cammed, it just needs a tune. It kind of sounds a little choppy because of it's not tuned right now. But let me know what you guys think. Overall, this is a doable swap, you know. Let me go ahead and pop the hood and show you a few things. It is a doable swap. Here's my cold air intake. I went with Bullet Performance. I'm not really sure how you pronounce that. These are just some AC hoses. I don't have the AC line because you have to have the V8 AC line to go up here to the coolant thing, whatever the fuck it's called. But I've got all the radiator hoses, all the water pump hoses. Got the intake switched to the single. The computer's down there. I still got to put a clamp over this. But I mean, overall, it sounds good. There's no knocking in the motor or anything that I can hear. And I really like this intake. This intake looks really cool. It was about $300. But let me know what you guys think about it. And hopefully my videos help some of y'all do the same swap.